সমাপ্তি লগ্নে আবারও বেড়ে উঠবে জাতীয় মান জানাই জাতীয় সঙ্গীতের প্রতি।
On behalf of the Government of West Bengal, we convey our appreciation to print and electronic media, all participant government departments, especially Public Works Department, School Education Department, and Information and Cultural Affairs Department. We convey our appreciation to West Bengal and Kolkata Police. Our gratitude to General Officer Commanding Bengal Sub-Area, Major General Dinesh Kumar Singh, Sena Medal, Visishta Seva Medal, and his team of officers JC the parade next to New Delhi. We also convey our deep appreciation to distinguished guests and honorable diplomatic corps.